Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, October 24. The island's sanitation system has been bolstered with the procurement of 11 new compactor garbage trucks. Valued at nearly $215 million, the trucks brings the total to 28 units received this year.
This money is coming from the taxes that you have paid. Specifically, this is coming from the property taxes you have paid. Everyone needs to pay their property taxes so that the burden is spread fairly and efficiently over the population so that there is more resource available.
The trucks were handed over to the National Solid Waste Management Authority in a ceremony at Jamaica House this morning. NSWMA's NEPM Waste Management Limited, which serves the parishes of St. Anne, St. Mary and Portland, will receive 2 units. The other 3 regions, SPM, WPM and MPM Waste Management, will each get 3 units to assist with the collection and transportation of solid waste.
It is the intention of the Ministry Prime Minister in the new year coming to place more money in the budget to secure new trucks.
Jamaica and China have entered a partnership to share resources and expertise in 7 sporting disciplines, namely swimming, synchronized swimming, badminton, gymnastics, volleyball, football and basketball. The 2 countries signed a letter of exchange on Monday, sealing the technical cooperation for the 3-year project. It begins in January 2018 when coaches from China will visit Jamaica for a month. After that, a Jamaican contingent of 138 athletes, coaches and support personnel will head to China for 2 months to train and participate in competitions. The Chinese government is funding the $7 million project, which includes the provision of equipment.
I look forward to the commitment that is made by all the sporting associations here that will benefit from the program. That the program will be well managed by you and the goals we set out to meet will be achieved.
Measures to strengthen the administration of justice and build public trust and confidence in the system just got a boost with the establishment of the Judicial Education Institute of Jamaica, JEIJ. The institute is already providing training and sensitization programs to judges and court staff. It's operating out of the Supreme Court building on King Street in downtown Kingston until a more suitable home is identified. Its establishment is due to the vision of Chief Justice Zela Makala, who worked with international, regional and local partners to make it a reality.
The need for judicial education has become more critical with the frequent amendments to existing legislation and the passing of new laws to address new types of crimes and new ways of committing crimes with the advent of technology and the changing and dynamic society in which we live.
Puisne Judge of the Supreme Court, Justice Vinette Graham Allen, has been appointed head of the institute. Ground has been broken for a new parish office of the Ministry of Labour and Social Security in St. Anne. The modern 2-story building will provide more than 27,000 square feet of office space and nearly 18,000 square feet of rentable space. Parking will also be provided for staff and clients, and there's to be special accommodations for persons with disabilities.
The Ministry of Labour and Social Security is committed to providing quality service to our clients and by extension to ensuring that the working conditions of our valued employees are of the best quality.
The development has become necessary because the ministry has outgrown its original office space in St. Anne. The new property was acquired at a cost of $2.2 million in 1992, and the construction will be done at a cost of $513 million. It should be completed within 15 months by M&M Construction Company Limited.
We have found that they stick to budget and they come in on time, so we are expecting the same treatment at these offices.
The development is being done through the investment arm of the NIS Fund and is expected to generate income of $26.62 million per year from its rental spaces. And finally, staff and students at the Thompson Town High School in Clarendon are now undergoing grief counseling following yesterday's shooting of 2 of the school's watchmen. One of the on-duty watchmen, 39-year-old Alric Carthy, died on the spot, while the other is at hospital in critical condition. In a statement, Education Minister Senator Ruel Reid strongly condemned the gun attack and extended condolences to Mr. Carthy's family. Senator Reid is also appealing for calm within the school community while the police conduct their investigations. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.